Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing a 14-inch headband wig, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys two simple and cute ways that you can style your headband wigs. So if you guys want to see how I do that, just stick around for the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing and styling another headband wig. This time this is a 14-inch headband wig. Here it is. Smells good. Doesn't smell that bad. So this is what it looks like. The inside of it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. So one at the top, 2 at the side, and 1 at the back. It also comes with an adjustable straps that you can use to adjust it to your head size. I also received 2 headbands. Getting a lot of a cap, but I'm not gonna be using this cap, but I'm gonna be using another one. So it comes with 2. Let me see how much is inside. It's like 2. Okay, so it's two Wecan. So yeah, see, I'm sorry, I can use it for something else, but I'm not gonna use it for this hairstyle now. So and this hair is from Wecan, and you can get this here on Amazon. It's only $20. Last video I review another headband wig. You guys can check that out. Also, I'm gonna be linking that in the iCard above, so you guys can check that out too. So I'm gonna be moisturizing it for a little bit, not much, and then so you guys can use any moisturizer that you have for your hair. Just to give it a little shine. So I'm using my own mixture. So my own olive oil sheen with hair pink lotion. That is what I'm using for mine to moisturize mine. And then after I'm gonna add some mousse. So I've already done my edges, as you guys can see. So the texture is very soft, and it also can take a very high heat, so you guys can style it however you like. So this hair is good for persons who don't like them too long, like, you know, 24 inches, or, you know, the last one I did was 24 inches, so this would be really good for the summer. You don't want it too long, too hot. These headbands are really cute though, and I really love headbands and head wraps. So it can be worn like this, just simple, nice. And I'm gonna show you guys another way you can wear it too. So this is another way that you guys can style your 14-inch headband wig. So play with it, be versatile, and just do what makes you feel and look beautiful. So there you have it, guys, and thank you so much again for tuning into my video. Please do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.